Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, fabulous Friday, February 12th here. Just again, a little public service reminder here. I've got two of them. One, Sunday is Valentine's Day. Have you shopped for your sweetie already? If not, there you go. There's your friendly reminder. You can't say that you didn't know. Secondly, Monday is President's Day, so we will not be here. The market is closed. So, 3-day weekend. Yay. Okay, so I will see you after today. I'll see you on Tuesday. And also for myself today, I will be here this morning, and then I have to go pick up my Sherman. All right. Let's take a look here at futures. They're pretty flat. We're well off the lows in the Dow futures. We were well, it wasn't all that low though. It was like 45 down earlier, and now we're down about 19, 20 points. So really flattening out. And yesterday we had some selling. Let's go take a look at the SPY. We had some selling off of the top. So we had selling on Thursday, or on Wednesday rather, right? Thursday we came in and we actually made an inside candle here. I know it's really small, but we made an inside candle, which means to me that we had just enough people coming up to buy in, even though we had profit taking. We're at all-time highs, right? We're very close to them. And when this happens, to see profit taking, maybe some sector rotation, it really makes sense, even if it really stinks for the place that we are in, because it feels, like we're being targeted or something, right? But that is not the case. We're just taking a nice little break, a little rest period here. And I drew this in the other day. We're just starting a new channel. This was the old channel. Now we're starting a new one. This was also, this lower level is where I put, as we started to pull back on Wednesday, my next level of support. So I'm going to leave that in there for the day. Okay, so let's hop on over. Let's talk about Disney crushed it. Disney, it was funny. Skylar just this morning was asking me if we could, there's a new Disney movie coming out on March 6th. Because he walked up and he said, what are we doing on March 6th? I'm like, I don't even know what day of the week that is. I couldn't, I had no idea. But anyway, he's all excited about this new movie. And so apparently we'll be watching it as a family. Now, thinking about that, Disney was really smart early on in the pandemic. They quickly pivoted to online streaming, and then it's like $30, I think, or something. I'm not even sure because I haven't done that yet. But, they're making really good money without having to worry about all of the other stuff that goes into distributing that movie through theaters. So they did a great job, and what better way to entertain your kids than to get Disney Plus? So their subscribership numbers well exceeded where they thought they would be. So Disney, it's moving up here. Let me just check real quick this morning. Disney's up at 194. I'm gonna watch for this to pull back a little bit, get some profit taking on today's action. But Disney long, they've just been really smart, and I think that Disney long, and I'm gonna go with some shares in my longer term portfolio on Disney here once we get just a little bit more of a pullback. But Disney looks great, probably a really good day trader today. So, okay, there you go. I'm going right back to Mastercard. Yesterday, we gapped up on the news about cryptocurrency, and gapped up really quite nicely, sold it off. But this morning, we're coming right back in at 340, 370. So we're right here within the body of this candle. I still like this play. It's probably my top play that I like today. I'm looking at the March 19th, 350. You can push it out even longer if you want. Just price-wise, I went with the March 19th here. Really like the look of Mastercard. All right. Billy. Haven't played this one in just a little bit, but I've had pretty good success with it. Billy here, big candle, right? This is a really just excited candle. Took off, came back in yesterday, sold some of those profits off, but we still have finished out here right in the top of the candle. We're looking to hold that 3. if we do pull back, I'll let it see if it wants to pull back all the way to the 8. But I really like this area here. I actually like it a little bit better if we can get in maybe about 144. It doesn't look like that's going to happen. So I would look to take it right around yesterday's close, around 148.30. I like the 319, same as yesterday, the March 19th 350, and again, or no, sorry, that's totally the wrong chart. I don't know. The March 19th 150. There we go. March 19th 150s. There on Billy. I don't know. It's Friday. I'm tired. Okay, Draftking. This coming back, I think this has a little bit more pullback in it. I just wanted to bring it up for to watch into the end of the day, see if we start getting a bit of a reversal, especially if we pull back into this shorter term trend line. I like that we came back in. We've moved a long way, right? We've moved up, oh, wow, that was a painful pullback. But now we're doing these smaller moves here. So looking at Draftking for a potential entry. Oh, here's one we haven't looked at in a while. CRM, they have earnings coming up. So for a shorter term play, I like the look of CRM. We did fill the gap a couple days ago. And I don't remember, somebody in the room brought this up, talking about it. It looks really good here, up to about 247.40 is where I'm looking. I would still go, even though we have earnings on the 20, looks like the 25th there. The 319 250s would be pretty good. Don't forget we have ROKU earnings coming up, so take a look at that. There'll probably some decent day trades in ROKU here as we move into earnings. And these WWE came up on our reversal list the other day. I didn't take it here, but it looks like it's actually starting to make that reversal. And today we are a little bit green here this morning. So this is a nice one for a reversal play if you are looking for it. And then someone else in the room, I think it was Cindy, brought up GRUB. And I didn't really like it here because it was sitting there. The other day it was sitting right on the 200. Well, now we've gone through the 200 but came right back up above. I would say if this one continues, confirms that reversal today, I think GRUB for a reversal play looks pretty darn good as well. Okay, that is it for me this morning. I hope you have a fantastic Friday. And don't forget, Monday is off. Sunday is Valentine's Day, and I will see you on Tuesday.